All right, guys, welcome to this video again. So in this session, we are going to continue building our barbershop site with Google site. So the last time I talked to you about how to organize your video and the resources in your Google Drive folder. So here we are just going to add some stuff to the website. First of all, we should change the header. This header doesn't look nice. This is the default header, so we'll change the image and then we select image. We are not going to upload in an image because we already have everything needed in a Google Drive folder. So just click on select image, open up, open up, open. All right. So these are some images that Google is giving to us. We don't want to use this. We want to use our own image. So we'll go to Google Drive, click on Google Drive, and then we'll go to barbershop site, which is our folder. We go to images, and then we choose one of these. Which should we take? Um, I think this does it. We'll just choose this. Okay, I want you to wow, this looks amazing. So I want you to pay attention to this. You see these two buttons at the bottom right corner. You can use this to when you click on this, it adjusts the readability. So when you toggle it on, it adds a layer of a gray layer on top of the image so that the text becomes a little bit more visible. And you can toggle it off depending on the kind of picture you have at the background. So if it's a very bright picture, it's advisable that you toggle it on so that a gray layer is added to the image. And then the anchor image allows you to adjust the image on the cover there. So when we click on this, when we shift it up, you can see this. We'll move it to the side, you can see this. You see the way it's moving. So this, depending on the orientation of your image, so you just use this to adjust. But I like it at the center, so we'll just bring it back to the center and then we're good that way. So this site also will be visible to your audience. So usually if there is a logo, I like to remove it. If there is no logo, I like to just add TPL because that will be visible to the public. You understand? So TPL Baba. And then we just add text here. Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, so that's why I'm using Nigeria as an example. So I'm currently in Nigeria. So just look for a font that goes well with Open Sans. Centralize this. Perfecto. All right. So this is our cover image, and then I don't want this cover to be like this. Let's preview. Let's preview and see what it's like on the desktop. So I think we should make it a bit bigger. So we should make it a bit bigger. So we'll close the preview and then we change the header type. We change the header type from banner to large banner. Yes, I think it's okay this way. So let's preview it once more and then yes, this looks this looks awesome. So we'll take this image away and then we'll just add some stuff to this. Take this divider. We do not yet need this divider. So we'll go to page, sorry, not pages, we'll go to come here and then we'll add services. We'll add the text here at the bottom. So let us add our services. We don't need it to be a normal text, we need it to be heading, and then we need to centralize this. Our services, okay, I think we need it to be a bit bigger, so change the font to size 30. All right, this is awesome. Our service, and then we'll add this content block 1 2 3 4. So let's say we barb, we braid, we barb hair, we braid hair, we let's just add a couple of, so let's add three. Three is okay for now. All right, so we'll add an image, select image from my drive. We'll just add these as templates, so add this also. Okay, we'll just duplicate this. We'll just take this two layer away. Let's remove this. Let's delete this. Click delete, and then we'll just duplicate this section. Duplicate. Move this. Drag it back here, and then we'll just duplicate this. Move this. Drag it back up here, and then voila, we have three of them. And then we can now delete this section. All right. So our services. Let's just adjust this. What I did just now was double click. So you just double click. Let's just adjust this to the very extent, so it's a bit different. We adjust this also, and then this is okay at the center. Just, and then we cut here. Our services haircut, and then haircut. Then let's say we braid hair also. Braid hair. And then the other thing we do is what the barbers do also. We shave. Okay, shave. Then we can add some description here, or we can add our prices, whatever, so we can also leave it blank. And then our location, let us I would like to duplicate this, and then drag it all the way down here. All right, so right, our location, our locations. Okay, let's take for instance we are in a multiple part of the city or the state, so we need to import our location on the map. So close this content block, and then we'll go to map. Yes, map. All right. Nigeria, it's over here. We'll just zoom in, and in. Okay, so we'll just add this place. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, we just add this place. We select it, and then it's obvious here, but we may need to make it a bit smaller so it can contain two. All right, so we need to add a text at the top to say, to name the city. So let's say Lagos. So we just drag it. You see this? We drag it to the top here, and then here Lagos is there. So we duplicate this, then we drag this all the way here, and then we can name this Port Port Harcourt. Okay, Port Harcourt is all right. Port Harcourt is spelled Harcourt. Then we have to change this. We have to change it from normal text to subheading. It's better of that way. Change it to subheading. Yeah. Okay, so let's say we are in Lagos and then we are in Port Harcourt so far. Let's just drag this. All right, this looks good. So whatever thing else you want to add to the site, you can just keep adding. You can add a YouTube video, or let us add a video. So let's just add a video. While the YouTube video, let's say the YouTube video should be at the top. Hey, like an explainer video that is saying, "Hi, my name is this. I'm from Barber Shop. We do this, we do that." Let's just go to YouTube and search for a, a any barber on YouTube. Let's just look for a video that we'll use. So we just add. We'll come here. I don't want to play the YouTube video, so YouTube would not disturb me for copyright issues. So we'll just click on YouTube, and then we search for barber. Let's search here barber shop. All right. So we just add this 22-minute video, the first one that comes. We just click on it and then we hit select, and then oh, it's in the wrong place. We don't want it to be under services. We want it to be up here. Up, exactly. We want it to be up here. Yes. So people can watch the video. Then no, there is something wrong here. We don't want it to be connected to these services. We want it to be on its own. So we'll take services out of there. Exactly. This is where we want it to be. All right. It works fine.